Hello there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use veed.io to edit your own videos. First of all, head over to www.veed.io/signup. Over here, you can create your free account by either signing up with Google, your Apple ID, or just typing your email over here. I'm just going to continue with Google for now. Select any one of your emails. After that, type in your name. Select the option that you're going to be using veed.io for. After that, select the purpose of your videos. And after that, just select the option that suits the best. Just select how you feel about video editing. For example, like if you're good at it or you would need some assistance in it. And finally, just type in how you heard about Veed. After that, you're just going to set up your team and you can also invite collaborators. Hit continue and finally, you can choose your plans. For example, the basic plan, which is the most common and recommended plan by them, is only $12 per month, which is billed annually. It has the ability to remove your watermark, 720 minutes of subtitles, full HD or 1080p video exports, and you can export videos up to 25 minutes. For the Pro plan, you can get more minutes of subtitles, 180 minutes of translation, AI-powered editing, clean audio, and eye contact correction. And you can also have access to their stock audio and video. Finally, for the business plan, you get up to 8 minutes of subtitles, 240 minutes of AI avatars, and custom templates, video analytics, and video call to action for your business. On the top, you can also choose to either pay monthly or annually. It's more expensive if you choose to go with their monthly plans. For this video, we're just going to be using the free plan. Hit get started and it will lead you to the veed.io homepage. Over here, you can just hit the create project option. You can either use one of their templates that they provide. Keep in mind, some of them require you to be on a paid plan. We're just going to start a blank project for now. You can upload the file that you want to use. And as you can see, it seamlessly imported it with veed.io video editor. You can look around your video if you want. Otherwise, on the left of your screen, you'll find the settings tab, where here you can change the aspect ratio, the background color, audio, and you can also remove background noises if you choose to upgrade their plan on the top right. You can choose how many frames per second your video is, and you can also change the duration of your video. After that, you can go down to the media tab. Over here, you can either upload more files to your video or you can import any of these stock videos that they provide. For example, we're going to be choosing this one. Just drag and drop it, or you can click it and it will upload in front of your video. Just adjust it onto your timeline. Under it, you'll find audio. Over here, you can also use some stock music, or you can hit this plus sign over here, which adds it onto your video. You will have to crop it according to your video length, so just drag it all the way from the right of your screen to where it matches your video. Under it, you can also choose to cut out dead air or awkward pauses. And on the top, you can change the speed of your audio. Under it, you'll find the subtitles area. You can either transcribe it manually, upload the subtitle file, or you can hit the automatically generate captions option. But we don't have any text, but we don't have any speech in our video, and it's just music for now, so we're going to skip this. You can also add text to your video, which is as simple as just clicking onto any of these, and it's going to be there for a specific period of time. You can increase it to however long or however short you want. If there's an unwanted part in your video, you can select the end of it, hit the split button, and then select the start of it, hit the split button again, and you can select this clip specifically and just delete it by hitting the delete key on your keyboard. Align the rest of the video, and then you can also align your music again. The next is the elements option. Over here you can add progress bars, emojis, shapes, and animated stickers onto your video. You can also draw onto it. We're just going to be trying any one of these. For example, these sound waves. Just choose any of these you like. If you like any of these specific categories and you want to see more, you can hit the view all option to see other options you have. We're just going to be clicking this one for now. It imported onto the video, and you can see it just added a sound wave. You can drag and drop this to anywhere you like, and you can also make it shorter if it's obstructing your video too much. After that is the template option. You can just select any of these templates if you want. We're not going to be using any of these for now. Next, you can record, which basically means you can add your own camera onto it, or you can add screen records or audio onto the existing video that you're editing. And finally is the transitions tab. You can add transitions wherever you like. For example, this one right here. Just drag it to a cut in the video. For example, the one we made with the split tool over here. You can add it, and also over here, which is the joining between these two videos. We're going to be deleting this transition for now. We're going to play the video and show and see how it looks. It seamlessly added the transitions onto our video. You can explore around with any of these, but we're not going to change that for now. You can also add filters to your video. For example, you can color grade it or add effects to it, like blur and a vintage style if you want. We're just going to be color grading it for now. You can change the slider to how much you want to add that effect onto your video. And finally, if you think you're done with your video, you can go ahead to the top right and hit the done option. Over here, you can export your video. Keep in mind, you can only choose the standard quality if you do not have the upgraded plans and you're continuing with the free one. We can hit the export video option, and it will lead us to a video export page. Once you're here, it's gonna take some time to render your video. As you can see, it's going pretty fast. You can share this video to any email address. You can copy a link to it or just download the file from this button right here. That sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.